This is a short video how to install the straps on the 108 machine to connect the screener to the riser box. This is just a basic 4-inch nylon strap with the J-hook on top. You'll find that there's cutout pockets on all four corners of the SLG 108 machine. So basically what you do is you drop the J-hook into the slot along the side, go down to the winch here, feed the belt through the cutout in the winch, rotate it around, pull the belt, pull it up tight, rotate it down, push the latch shut. You then can take your winch bar, put it into the provided holes in the winch, rotate down, turn your bar over to the upside. That's all that's required to connect the screener to the box on the riser box here. You do that on all four corners. That's all there is involved in either adding or removing the riser box to the screener. So again, if you want to take it apart, you just work it in reverse, pull the latch up, pull your belt out. It's ready to be removed from the riser box.